MiFun HK360 Swing Trike. Modern urban transportation made easy. The MiFun HK360 Swing Trike offers a perfect blend of practicality and modern design, making it an eco-friendly choice for urban transportation. This electric tricycle is powered by a 2000-watt motor and a 72-volt 50-amp lithium battery. With this powerful combination, it can reach a top speed of 45 km per hour and offers an impressive range of up to 110 km. Whether you're using it for daily commutes or longer trips, the HK360 delivers both speed and endurance. Built for comfort and durability, the trike features double shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even when carrying heavy loads. With a 250 kg cargo capacity and a spacious rear carrier, it's ideal for carrying groceries, packages, or other gear. The user-friendly controls make it accessible for riders of all levels, from beginners to experienced commuters. The sleek TFT display provides easy access to essential information, while tubeless tires enhance both performance and style. This versatile trike is popular among city dwellers, delivery services, and recreational riders. The MiFun HK360 is not just a vehicle, it's a sustainable and efficient mode of modern transportation, designed to meet the needs of today's urban lifestyle. XEV Yoyo My23, the future of urban mobility. The XEV Yoyo My23 is a cutting-edge, all-electric city car designed to transform urban driving. It's perfect for daily commutes and even short trips beyond the city limits. This compact car comes in 4 versions: Easy, City, Tech, and Premium, allowing drivers to choose the model that best suits their needs. Remarkably, even drivers as young as 16 can enjoy its features. With a range of 150 km and a top speed of 90 km per hour, the Yoyo My23 provides efficient access to restricted traffic zones while keeping power consumption low. The Yoyo My23 has undergone significant upgrades in performance, comfort, and eco-friendliness. Its modern design and enhanced features make it a stylish and smart choice for navigating busy urban streets. Whether you're looking for efficiency, functionality, or cutting-edge technology, the XEV Yoyo My23 is a fantastic option for eco-friendly city travel. Freesky Warrior Pro M-530, power and versatility in one electric bike. The Freesky Warrior Pro M-530 is built for those who need both power and versatility, whether you're commuting in the city or exploring off-road trails. This electric bike is equipped with dual 1000-watt brushless motors, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour. It's designed for a thrilling yet stable ride, perfect for adventure seekers. With a range of 50 to 85 miles, depending on your riding style and the 5 levels of pedal assist, you can easily adjust the bike to suit your needs. The bike's durability is ensured by an upgraded 661 aluminum frame, paired with 26 by 4-inch fat tires that provide excellent stability and comfort, even on rough terrain. Its full suspension system further enhances the smoothness of the ride, absorbing bumps along the way. Safety is a priority with hydraulic brakes, offering reliable stopping power no matter where you're riding. Widescape WS250, revolutionizing snowmobiling. The Widescape WS250 brings a whole new approach to snowmobiling with its unique standing design. Instead of sitting, riders stand upright, offering better control and a more immersive experience. Powered by a custom-built 242cc 4-stroke FE engine and CV Tech IBC transmission, the WS250 delivers strong, efficient torque, making it ideal for navigating through dense forests and deep snow. Built in Canada, this snowmobile is made with high-quality components. It features a 105-inch Southsea track and a 12-inch ski, providing excellent traction and stability on various terrains. The innovative single ski design enhances balance and maneuverability, while the high-performance suspension, with 140mm front travel and 100mm rear travel, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The Widescape WS250 is perfect for those seeking adventure in the winter. It offers a thrilling and comfortable way to explore snowy landscapes like never before.
The Extreme V is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to conquer 80% of the world's most challenging landscapes, from scorching deserts and snowy mountains to muddy trails and the rugged Alps. Think of it as the civilian version of military-grade vehicles like the Bronco and Warthog, but made for everyday use. This beast is incredibly versatile, ready for anything from rescuing stranded travelers to delivering aid or getting doctors to remote areas. It can tackle steep 45-degree slopes, handle deep potholes and dips up to 2 meters long, and haul up to 4 tons of cargo without breaking a sweat. Plus, it can zip along at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. What makes the Extreme V even cooler is its adaptability. Whether you need it to cross water with a jet propulsion system or transform it into a passenger vehicle, its modular design makes it easy to customize for whatever job you throw at it. The Extreme V is more than just a vehicle. It's a reliable partner, ready to take on the toughest terrain the world has to offer.
Wisk Aero Cora, the future of autonomous air travel. The Wisk Aero Cora is a groundbreaking autonomous eVTOL aircraft designed for 2 passengers. It offers a cruising speed of 110 miles per hour and a range of 62 miles. Flying between 500 and 3,000 feet, the Cora can even reach altitudes of up to 10,000 feet. Powered entirely by electricity, it uses 12 vertical lift propellers and a pusher propeller to achieve smooth flight. Its design is supported by a 36-foot main wing for stability. Safety is a top priority. The distributed electric propulsion system ensures the aircraft can still land safely even if some propellers fail. This innovative design sets the stage for efficient and reliable autonomous air travel. The Wisk Aero Cora promises to redefine how we think about the future of flying, offering a glimpse of what air transportation could be. Fuel Flow. Introducing the Fuel Flow, an urban electric motorcycle that's built for power, performance, and convenience. Priced at $10,495, this innovative ride is perfect for city commuters looking for both speed and range. With a range of over 150 miles, the Flow's 10 kilowatt-hour battery ensures long commutes are no problem. And its impressive 750 Newton-meters of torque, combined with a 35 kilowatt motor, gives you a thrilling riding experience. The Flow can reach speeds of over 85 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Perfect for those quick accelerations in busy city traffic. Charging is fast and convenient, too. You can fully charge the bike in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for riders with a busy schedule. Now, let's talk safety. The Flow is packed with features like blind spot detection, intelligent ABS, and traction control. These ensure a safer, smoother ride even in unpredictable traffic. A connected dashboard keeps you informed while riding, and the innovative wheel motor design optimizes both weight distribution and performance. One standout feature is the advanced regenerative braking system. This helps recharge the battery as you ride, extending your range and efficiency. You'll also appreciate the 50 liters of integrated storage, perfect for storing your gear or essentials. The Fuel Flow offers 2 riding modes: urban for daily commuting and audacious for when you want a little extra power. In short, the Fuel Flow is a great balance of speed, safety, and convenience, making it a smart choice for modern city riders. Easy Maker. Simplified changing for bed sheets. Tired of the hassle of changing bed sheets? The Easy Maker is here to help. This innovative, patented tool is designed to make changing sheets quick and effortless. How does it work? The Easy Maker uses an 800W air pump and a 1mm flocked PVC bladder to lift your mattress with ease. In just 60 seconds, it raises the mattress, allowing you to remove or replace the sheets without any heavy lifting. It's that simple. The system can lift mattresses weighing up to 1,000 pounds. And don't worry if you forget to lower it. After 8 minutes, the system automatically deflates for safety and convenience. This tool is a game changer, especially for people who may struggle with lifting. Whether you have back problems, or a senior, pregnant, or simply find mattress lifting difficult, the Easy Maker takes the physical strain out of the process. With the Easy Maker, a once exhausting task becomes manageable and efficient. No more bending or struggling. Just quick and easy bed making for everyone. KTM Free Ride E-XC. Premium electric dirt bike for off-road performance. The KTM Free Ride E-XC is a premium electric dirt bike built for top-tier performance and versatility, priced at $11,300. It's perfect for riders who want a powerful and eco-friendly off-road experience. Powered by an 18-kilowatt brushless synchronous motor, this bike delivers smooth power with up to 24.5 horsepower and 42 Nm of torque, making it capable of handling tough terrains with ease. The bike comes with a 3.9 kWh KTM power pack, providing ample energy for long rides. And with a fast 1.3-hour charge time, you can quickly get back to your adventure. The WP XP suspension system offers 250 mm front travel and 260 mm rear travel, ensuring excellent handling and comfort, even on rough trails. Weighing just 111 kilograms, the Freeride E-XC features high-quality components like giant laced wheels, Formula disc brakes, and a steel aluminum composite frame for maximum durability. With a 910 mm seat height and 340 mm ground clearance, this bike is designed for agility, making it ideal for serious off-road performance. The KTM Free Ride E-XC is the perfect choice for those who want a powerful, electric dirt bike that offers both performance and sustainability. Walkar, world's smallest portable mobility vehicle. The Walkar is the world's smallest portable mobility vehicle, designed in Japan to change how we think about personal transportation. Weighing just 2.9 kilograms, it's incredibly light and compact, making it as easy to carry around as a laptop. This offers ultimate convenience for short trips, whether you're commuting or just running errands. With a top speed of 10 km per hour and a range of up to 7 km on a single charge, the Walkar is perfect for navigating busy urban environments. Its four-wheel independent suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even when traveling over uneven surfaces. One of the key benefits of this innovative micro-vehicle is its quick charging time. It takes just 60 minutes to fully charge, making it an efficient solution for your daily commute. The Walkar offers a unique, portable option for anyone looking to escape the limitations of traditional transportation methods.